Have you ever cracked your knuckles and heard that loud pop? Inside every finger joint is a fluid-filled capsule that helps your bones move smoothly. When you pull or bend your finger, pressure inside the joint suddenly changes. That pressure change creates tiny gas bubbles inside the joint fluid. When that bubble collapses, you hear the popping sound. After the pop, the joint needs time before another bubble can form. Occasional cracking usually isn't dangerous, but doing it excessively may irritate the joint. Keeping joints flexible with movement is far more important. But here's the real question. Do you crack your knuckles every day? Comment below and like and subscribe for more body secrets.